we shall finish. We are going back home. It took me like 1.5 hours to finish in that market. So I'm going to the supermarket now, where I want to buy for my kids. So follow me, let's go. If you guys are ready, let's go. I'm gonna cross the road now. Yeah, the road is empty today. Wow, I'm lucky. I found it empty. So this is the area I want to shop. It's called Beam supermarket. So I hope you guys will love it. You follow me inside. We go inside and buy together, okay? Yeah, here we are entering. So guys, I hope you enjoy shopping with me. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.